Yes, Nisha.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes, and today I am going to increase this class. We all know that today our topic is whose person we like and dislike. So now I start this class from first member of our speaking, Mr. Harshit.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of B.E. Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is that person whom you like most and that whom you dislike most. So first I am telling
whom you नहीं I, you नहीं I. आप अपने बारे
okay,
में बताओ कि आपको whom you like means you, not we. Okay.
okay sir. First I am telling like the person whom I like. So these are my parents and my teacher. My best teacher is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is a good teacher and his basis is also good. So I like him most and my parents are also good. They I obey us and they bring all the things for me which I ask and they are very nice and my sir is also nice. He is a simple man and now I'm telling the person whom I dislike. So this is my sister because she she because she beat me anytime without any reason and she she don't say to me that you may watch the phone and she watch the phone every time but she never thought that what will be going on in his mind and she don't want to doesn't want that I download the game inside my phone but she downloads a lot of apps inside it but she she keep locked to the play stores. That's all.
Well done, Harshit. Your speaking is also nice, and you say that you say wrong that sister is bad. Sister is also good. So now it's turn of Miss Khushbu.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes Batch First. And today I want to tell you about a person which I like the most. At first, I like three person, which is my parents and another is my favorite sir, Mr. Rajesh Kumarji Gupta, and they all are very nice persons and they are very kind and they are and their nature is very polite and they help in my every situation and my parents fulfill my needs and I want to tell you a person which I like the most. Her name is Gati and she always suggests me in my every field and she is very kind and sometimes she suggests me to for my studies and she is studying in 12th class. She is my friend, not only my friend but also my little sister. That's it.
Well done, Khushbu. Your content is very nice and your flow is very also good. Thank you. Now it's turn of Miss Preeti.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Preeti Agrawal. Today, our topic is the person whom I like most and the person whom I dislike most. There is not only one person to whom I like. There are many persons to whom I like. I like my parents, I like my friends, and many of others um, who are around me. Because when I am good, so I am definitely my surroundings will also be good. So I like my parents because my parents are very very good. They are very cooperative. They are very supportive. They always motivate me, and they always motivated me to do the work which I wanted to do and which I wanted to achieve. And they helped me in every field. When I wanted to study, they always cooperate me, that you just study and I'll do that work. You have no need to focus on other things. I'll manage myself, and you do your study. And my father also supported me with money, when whether he had not so much things, but still he cooperated me a lot. And he always helped me to achieve my dreams. And now I like most my friends, because there are some things which I can't share with our parents, but we can share with our friends. And always our friends always help us, and they always help us in our study. And they motivate us, and they tell us that they guide us that you can do it, and do it. Sometimes there are few things that we can't share with our family members, our relatives, but our friends are always with us to share our these kind of things, and they always support us in these things. And there is one person whom I dislike most, but I don't want to take her name. And I dislike her most because she never tried to understand me. That's why I don't like her. That's it.
Well done, Miss Preeti. Your contest is very nice, and thank you so much. You tell that how do parents fulfill your needs. Thank you. Now it's turn of Miss Astha.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B8. Today I am telling you about a person whom I like and whom I don't like. First of all, I want to tell you about the person whom I like. I like most my parents, my teacher, and my best friend. First of all, first of all, I am telling you about my parents and teacher. My parents are known my God. They bring me everything what I say with him with them. My teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is a very good teacher and he is also a very simple teacher. He also give a lollipop on our online classes. Next Next is my friend. She is a very kind and helpful person. We also take online classes together. Next, and we also share everything with my friend. Next, I am telling you about a person whom I don't like. That's the girl who make hatred in we two friends. She says very lie with us about each other. So that's it.
Well done, Miss Asta. Your speaking is very nice and amazing, and thank you. And I inform that all of you who can on your camera, so please on your cameras. Now it's turn of mine. Mm. Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I'm a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes, and today I'm going to tell you about whom person I like and dislike. So
About the
first
person whom I like. About the person whom I like and dislike. Huh?
First of all, I tell about my family. Which my family, which is my mother, is very very important in my life because she is help help to me any works, and he advised to he give he give good advice to all do all works. And the second is my father. He do he fulfill our my all needs, and he is his advice to do good study. And second is my brothers. They are very good and bad because they are fight with me without reason. But he is very but they are very good and nice. Now I tell you about my cousins. Her name is Miss Chetna. He is very good and simple girl, but he is very angry girl. Because she fight with me without reason. But I know that she loves me very much. Now I tell you about my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. He is very kind and honest person. And they teach us also without iterate. And they advise that they give advice that iterate is not education. I am very happy because I read without iterate, and I can get many information and knowledge by him. Now I tell you about my friends. My friends are I have many friends, but most of my best friends is Kavita and Divyanshi. Their name is lovely name is Riddhi and Jiddi. Uh, Divyanshi is my best friend, and he is very simple and kind girl. And she is help to me any work, and she is with me any work, any do work. That's it. Thank you, sir.
गुड निशा, गुड स्पीकिंग। थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकल थोड़ा ध्यान रखो, है ना।
जी
अब
सर।
सुनना जरूर, एक बार आप सुनोगे तो आपको खुद पता चलेगा गलतियों का, है ना। ओके, नाउ कैरी ऑन योर एंकरिंग।
Now it's turn of Miss Suhani.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani and I am the student of Raman Interactive English Classes B8 batch. Today's our topic is whom we like and whom we dislike in in our surroundings. I have no dislike person because I think all the person goods and their natures are also good. So I don't talk about whatever I dislike. So I like my father, I like my mother, I like my parents, I like my family. More than I like all, but I like my parents mostly because they care. They are very caring to me. They gives me new things. They gives me all things, and they also care about my study. And my I have two lovely teachers, and they both are English teachers. First of all, I talk about my English sir. He is a very good person, and his nature is also very good. But no, and he is very good teacher. Sometimes I meet with him at their house at his house, and he is very he he is very honest person, and he teach me many things in English, and he complete his basic grammar course earlier, and he teach me advanced grammar in English. And second is my English ma'am in school. She is very kind lady, and she is very beautiful, and she also teach me many things in English. And uh, and and now I tell about my best friend. My best friend is Pratigya, and she is very good. She is very good girl, and she is very cute. And she we also study. We also study together in many times. And she not lives in near my house. We are online friends, and she lives in Madhya Pradesh in Bari, and she is my hostel friend, and she is very good girl. That's all, sir.
Well done, Miss Suhani. Your voice speaking is very nice and keep it up. Thank you. Now it's turn of Miss Karina.
Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am telling about the person I like the most. My dad is the person in my life that I like the most. There are a lot of reasons to say why he is the one whom I love the most. He has dedicated his whole life to my sisters and on me. Sometimes he take us outside. He is working hard for us. He is a man that is the gold in my life, in my family. Every day when I wake up, the first thing I thank to the God for being born as his daughter. And the second thing I do is to pray to him to give more power me and blessing so that soon I can make my father free from all this responsibility. And I have a dream that a time will come when will the rest whole life I say to him that you will buy, then I will do the hard work for you. That's all.
Well done, Miss Karina. Your contest is very amazing and interesting, and your speaking is very nice. And thank you because you tell you about what is place of father in our life. Now it's turn of Miss Tavanna.
Yes. Hello everyone, I'm Tamanna Meena. Today I'm going to tell you about the person whom I like and dislike. Firstly, I want to explain my views. Them person whom I like. There are three persons in my life. mm, Three persons in my life whom I like too much. That are my family, friends, and the Honorable Rajesh Kumarji sir. Um, my family is they are my backbone. Without without them, I cannot do nothing. My family supports me, and they give me advice. Now I want to I want to explain my views whom I dislike those persons because of their girls are not safe. They cannot go alone outside the home. That's it, sir.
Well done, Miss Tamanna. Your speaking is very nice. Now it's turn of Mr. Spurs.
Yes, hello, good evening everyone. My name is Ispan Gupta and I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B1, and today I'm going to tell you on the topic which person I like most and which I don't like. Uh, First, I want to tell you person I like most. I like three persons in my life. First parent, second my teacher, and third my friend. Uh, First parents are very good for us. They are backbone of our life. They fulfill our needs. They helps us in our every field. And second is my best teacher, Shivan Rajesh Kumarji Gupta. He is my favorite teacher. I ever had I ever had this I ever had teacher like Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. My my dream of English, of speaking English, is come has come true because of my best teacher, Shriman Rajesh Kumar Gupta, and third is my friend Nishan Chauhan, who helps me in every field. He is my best friend, and he motivates me in every field. The person I don't like, there is no one whom I don't like. But if I will bit get choice to choose the disliked person, I will choose him by his nature or by his behavior. That's it.
Well done, Mr. Spurs. Your speaking is very nice. Now it's turn of Miss Sri.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Sharma. Today I am going to telling you about who person we like and who we don't like. I like I like most all I like all persons, but I like most my parents, and because they they help me always. They when I do mistake, they under they give me right direction to grow, and they teach me, and they are very hard worker. Uh, they always they always teach they teach me, and my when I tell when I ask to my mother that make too sweet and etc, she makes, and then I when I asked to my father uh, that no, when I sick, my father give me medicine, and they my father is a doctor. He uh, in free time he he fun with me, and with my brother and sister, um, and in free time he they play with us. My mother is very hard worker. She do so much hard work, and she cleans house, and my father is hard worker. He he sometime he he सर लेके जाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Take us.
He take sometime he takes us to park, etc. He they they are very their nature is very good, and they help all. Um, they love they love me, and I also love them, and I thanks to God, uh, that of forgive me forgive me love love and carry parents. That's it.
Well done, Miss G. Your speaking is very nice. Please keep it up. Now it's turn of Miss Priya. Miss Priya, are you here?
सर आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही बोलो.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Priya Meena, and today I am telling about the person whom I like more. Uh, I like many peoples, but there are some people whom I like more, like my parents and my dear sir and my dear sisters. So today I'm telling about my sisters. Um, I love. I have three sisters, and I love my sisters. Their names are Anjali, Madhu, and Ria, and I like my two sisters. I like more my two sisters. They are also my. They are very nice, and they are also my friends. Uh, I always share with my. I always share with them my any problem and my things. They are the resource of my motivation for me, and they always love me. They show me the right way. they are the important part of my life. They always help me when we are together. We do lots of fun. They always told me that we always think positive and we never think negative. They told me that you never think that you are weak and सर डरपोक को क्या बोलेंगे?
Coward.
Coward. They always told me that you are
Tell me.
not.
Tell me.
Tell me that you are not weak and coward.
Hmm.
And they always told me that you should think always that you are great powerful person. They all and they always and they tell me that you should face your problems without any fear. And I they teach me uh, uh, that you should respect our elders and take cares of my family person. So I love my sisters very much. And that's it.
Well done,
And
Miss Priya.
sorry.
Your speaking is very nice. And
Okay.
thank
Okay.
you. Please keep
Okay.
it up.
Let her continue. Let her continue. She wants to tell something more. I think she wants to tell something more. So please let her continue. Yes. Come on, Priya.
And they always told me that we should never hate any person. So I don't dislike any person in my life. That's it.
Okay. Now,
Okay. Well done, Miss
Nisha.
Priya. Well done, Miss Priya. Your speaking is very nice. Please keep it up and thank you. Now it's turn of Miss Chetna.
Chetna, you are free to speak upon any topic because you are
Yes,
from
sir.
B9. Yes.
Yes, sir. I like his most person my father. My father's name is Rajesh. He is very good. He is very intelligent. He is very smart. He is very smart. He is very hard worker. He is do hard work. He go to market daily. He is get up at 5 in morning. He sleep at 12 in night. I love my father. He is 10th class pass. He is very kindly. He is very kindly. They have 3 children. That's it, sir.
Very good.
Well done, Miss Chetna. Your speaking is very nice. Please keep it up and try to better next time. Thank you. Now it's turn of Miss Jyoti.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban online interview classes. Today I am here to speak about those person who I like most in my life. First, I like my parents and my teacher. First, my parents love me and I want to tell about some words for my parents. My parents my parents give me many knowledge about life and he he teach
They.
me
They.
sorry and they teach me many things about the world that when i when I child, then he told me that every person are good when you do good to other, then you get good. and
Very good.
and my parents are good person and they get up early in the morning and they go to they go to job in early morning and they work from morning to evening and they all day live outside for working and when they come in the night at 7:30, then he he tired full and then he tired, and they told us that you you should hard work for becoming for become something in life, because future are very dark. When you don't hard work, then you don't get anything. So if you did ha- if you do hard work in present, then you can get something in future. And if you don't do anything, then you also become like us. So we don't watch that
You don't want to see.
you don't want to see, you also become like us.
Hmm.
And I want to tell about my teacher. I Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta is my English teacher, and he is not our English, and he is not my only English teacher, but also my motivational guide. When I disappointed in my life, then he always teaches me many things about life, and when I feel alone and very sad, then he tell me about then he tell me many things, and he disappeared my all problems. And he always he always remain with me, and he guides me, and he finish my all problems. That's it, Guruji.
Good.
Well done, Miss Jyoti. Your speaking is very nice and your content is very amazing. Thank you. Please keep it up. Now it's turn off Miss Divanshi.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes B6. I am telling about the person whom I like. I like so many persons. First of all, my parents. My parents are so good. They give me all things which I demand, and they motivate us. They are so kind and they are so hard worker. So, second I tell you about second I tell you about my teacher. My favorite teacher is Rajesh sir. He is not a teacher. He is a guru. I suppose him a guru because there are many different teacher and in a guru. When I think that if Rajesh sir not came in our school, that then what does we do? And thank you, sir. Thank you so much for give us this platform by which we can speak this on this level. And the third is my friends. My friends are always so good. They they are they are support me and they give me right advice because they are two friends. And I think that no one is able to dislike because every person has a quality. If we see any person's bad thing, any person is bad, but we saw his good things. Every person is good, so we should understand any person, and that's it.
Well done, Miss Divanshi. Your content is very amazing and nice, and your speaking is so good. Please keep it up. Now it's turn off Mr. Harshit.
Yes, my parents are my favorite parents. Thank you to God that He is person. Thank you to God that He gave me such a good mother and good father. They love me so much and I also love them too. They always tell me to follow the good path. They fulfills my every wishes. They both do a lot for me and I also want they I grow up and also do something for them. That's it.
Well done, Mr. Harshit. Your voice speaking is very nice. Please keep it up. Now it's turn of Miss Ruchika.
Hello friends, myself Ruchika and today I'm telling about whom I like most and whom not. First of all, I'm telling that whom I like most. There are two persons in my life whom I like most. First is my parents and second my teacher. I want to tell about my parents. Parents are whom their loan cannot be paid by us till our breath comes, because they give us a lot of things without asking any questions. So they are too good, and both cares me. They both care me and always say to go on the good way, and they teach me how they teach me about manners and how to react from elders. And they are my guides also, and motivational guides also. And second, I'm telling about my teacher. His name, every teacher is good, but some are till our some are still but our study, but he is most important he is a good teacher whose name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is not a teacher, he is just like a parent for every child. Because some teachers react till only their study. They do not ask that are you happy or not, are you fine or not. They only try to help them in their study, not to other things. But he is a person who sees first thing that the how children how the child is good or not. Because if he will not good, then he cannot do anything. If the teacher will tell him all the things, then he cannot understand those things if he will not happy. So first of all, he ask to the children, are you happy or not. And he's not, I'm not telling this thing because I read in his coaching, because I notice these things in him. He is a kind nature person. He likes to help others, and to all persons. He If he have not and if he have has not any thing, then he and anyone requires it, then he try to manage it by anything, by any thing. And if he anything, whether he is in any condition, and he always try to happy all children. And he says also that the struggle come in our life, because they teach us new things. And we also learn how to face them. And he says that we must not fear anybody. And if we have any struggle, then we must try to face it with our confidence. And he is a good person. I cannot describe that how is it, because I have not words to tell about him, because he is a very good person. And if I talk about them whom I dislike, then no one is here. And I think that the situation makes them this type. So we think that they are not good. But if I will tell their names, it may be that they do not like me because of my less lacking of anything. If we disappoint someone, then we should tell his its reason, so that he will improve it. That's also.
Good.
Well done, Miss Ruchika. Your content is amazing and nice. You're speaking so good. Thank you. Uh, Now it's turn of Miss Manisha.
Sir,
Yes.
I may left this class.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am a student of Ramban classes of online. I am speaking those person whom I like online, on whom I like and I don't like. I am like lot of member, but I'm talking about who's my in my very heart, who's are very closely in my heart. I am talking you like my parents, and my favorite teacher is Rajesh sir. They are always help me. They are also give me good advice, and they are very nice and very polite. They are kind persons, and they teach me that you should work hard in your life, then you give achieve your dream. They are give me motivation for my dreams. They are teach me respect our elders. They give me knowledge of this world. They are very support me for my career. They are very honest, and they help any person, and their nature is very good, and their nature is very nice. They love I love them, and they love also me. And there are very they are very hard worker, and they are very honest, and teach they teach me that respect your elders. That's it. Thank you.
Well done, Miss Manisha. Your speaking is so good, and please keep it up. Now it's turn of Mr. Drashya.
Okay, sir. Today I'm going to tell. Hello, everyone. I am Drashya Agarwal. Today I'm going to tell you about the persons whom I like the most and whom I dislike. First of all, I will tell that whom I dislike. The person whom I dislike the most is my sister because she beats me very badly. When I takes a phone from her, she pulls my hair very badly, and she make me cry. um I love her, but and but now I will tell you the persons whom I love the most. I love the three persons. I love three persons most in my life. First are my parents. My parents. It is said that parents are just similar to God. Just equal to God. They are very. My parents are very good. They keep me very with very. They keep me. सर मेरा ख्याल रखते हैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे
They take me care.
ओके सर दे टेक मी केयर दे दे दे
बोल बोल तू बोल, कोई बोलेगी मानेगी नहीं, मुझे मालूम है, बोल तू बोल.
they love me the most, and they only tells me to always walk on the way of good. um, um, and the third person whom I love the most is my sister because many times she saves me from many things. Sometimes when mother beats me, she tells mother that please don't beat me. Don't beat Drasha. Beat me.
Very good.
So I felt, so that time I felt feel very pity on her. Um, so that's it.
Well done, Mr. Joshua. You're speaking so good. What do you tell wrong that small sister is very bad? You are very lucky. So that you have a lovely sister. I'm so lucky. I have a not sister, only one cousin. So sorry. मैंने जो कहा आपको बुरा लगा हो. Now it's turn of Miss Priyanka.
हेलो
अगर की बहन नहीं होती है ठीक है ना
यस प्रियंका,
यस सर
सर मेरी चुगली करती है ये
अभी मिलेंगे किसी दिन तुमसे। हाँ प्रियंका, यस।
hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. The person whom I give the most importance to in my life. The three person in my life are the most important: my parents, Rajesh sir, and my mama ji. Today I want to tell you about my mama ji. An important person in my life is my mama ji. He is the best. He is the second father for me. He provides me what I want and need. For
हाँ,
instance, money matter, education situations and necessities. He teaches me the ways to be a better person and to be a better citizen in life. He always teaches me to walk on the right path, and even if I ever go on the wrong path, he tries his best to show me the right path. He solves my every problem very easily, and he wants to me to fulfill my dream and light up the name of all of them. I always pray that he is always happy. May all his wishes come true, and his blessing always be on all of us. That's it, sir.
Well done, Miss Priyanka. You were speaking so good, and your content is also nice. Uh, Thank you so much. Now it's turn of Miss Anjali.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali. Today, my topic: whom like person and whom dislike person. There are four person important in my life. First of all, my parents. I want to tell about my parents. My parents is the best parent of world. My parents help me in my every situation. My parents take care of me and love me. They give good advice and suggestion that now we live in our life. My parents fulfill my all needs. Now I want tell about my sister Sonam. She is a nice girl. She helps me in my all problems. She love me very much. She always take care of me. She fight anyone for me. She is very intelligent girl. She is very mature. Now I want tell about my teacher Rajesh ji sir. He is the best teacher in my life. He is very punctual. He is very hardworking person. He loves his all students. I am very thankful to him that he is my teacher. He gave he gave me many things. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Well done, Miss Anjali. You were speaking so good, and your content is very nice. Please keep it up. And now it's turn of Miss Yamni.
Hello friends, my name is Yamini. I'm telling about a person you like. Listen,
लिखने I like.
I like and dislike. I like my father. He is shopkeeper. He get up early in the morning and I take some tea. She go to shop every day and we uh, and we love him. And my mother. My mother is a housewife. She is simple lady. She put on sari and kurta. She go to temple every day. She she clean house every day. And I telling about my teacher. My favorite teacher is Rajesh Gupta. He is very good teacher. He come every day school. She teach to English. She he, he get up early in the morning.
Mm.
I telling about my sister. My sister is very good, but she is very bad.
Mm.
She she fights me.
Mm. With me.
She fight with me. She don't tell me mobile lock, screen lock.
Mm.
Give me mobile
Mm.
and 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 go to outside and go you. She go to outside, but not play with me.
Mm.
And I telling about my brother. My brother is good, but he is very bad. He
Mm.
fight with me, but he is very cute. He love me and give me give me her work. Give me her things. That's it.
Well done, Miss Yamni. You are speaking so good. And you tell right that big sister is very bad and angry, but your sister is not. As you tell about her.
दीदी एक दिन घर पे आके देख लेना आपको पता चल जाएगा आपको.
Sorry. Thank you. And please keep it up. Now it's turn of Mr. Tanish.
My name is Tanis. Hello, good afternoon, all of you and sir. Our topic is which person I like and which person I dislike.
Shabash.
And I like my parents and sir and ma'am. Rajesh sir taught me a lot, and my parents are also good. Dislike one of my senior who lives in our flat. He's very bad. Always tease me. I dislike him. Thank you, sir.
Good.
Well done, Mr. Tanish. You are speaking so good. Please keep it up. Now it's turn of Mr. Sham. Mr. Sham, are you here?
Sham. He is not here.
Okay.
He has gone.
I think that Mr. Sham is not here. So his studies his turn will be next. Now it's turn of Miss Rashmi.
Yes, my name is Rashmi Meena. I'm talking about my most person. My like the most person. My like person is my parents and my teacher. My parents is very good and nature is also good. He like me. He take care me. He's he respect elders. My di my di is my di is very good nature. He like me. He take care me. Her qualification is fine. Second year passed. He helped me all situation. She loved me
Hmm.
and sir. My sir is very good. His name is Rajesh ji sir.
His name is.
His name is Rajesh ji sir. He taught very good. He like all student. That's it sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा, आप रुकना अभी, आप रुकना, अंजू और ये रश्मि रुकना बेटा अभी, है ना, क्लास खत्म
Okay
होने
sir.
के बाद बात करनी है आपसे। हाँ हाँ
Sir, मैं
यस,
बोलूं?
हाँ पिंकी या निशा।
Your speaking is so good. I think that you have a hesitate, so please don't hesitate. Please keep it up and try
She is
to.
from B9 and in that batch I have not yet started speaking, but I
Yes,
am
sir.
very
I
much
know.
Sir, can I
satisfied that
go?
they are
My class
speaking
is
very well.
going on.
Yes,
Thank you so much, sir.
yes, Swani. Okay, beta.
I think that Mr. Sham is here. Are you here?
Yes.
So please start your speaking.
Hello everyone. My name is Shyam Meena. Today I am telling whom the like and whom dislike person. I like is most person my father and my mother and my teacher.
Hmm.
First, first my father. My father love me. He is honest. He work hard.
Hmm.
He is a simple man. He goes to work in morning and comes back evening. He sleeps late in the night.
Hmm.
And second, my mother.
Hmm.
My my mother name is Guddi Devi. He is a honest. My mother is a homemaker.
Hmm.
He gives good and
She,
fresh food.
she.
He gives good and fresh food for us.
Hmm.
He clean our house. She is good. She worship God in the morning.
Hmm.
Or third, my teacher.
Hmm.
My favorite teacher is a Mr. Rajesh Gupta.
Hmm.
He is a honest person.
Hmm.
He is in nature very good.
Hmm.
He is a help us students.
Hmm.
He is a good teacher.
Hmm.
He is like teacher and English. He is love all student.
Hmm.
He is learned person. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Well done, Mr. Sham. You're speaking so good. Please keep it up. Now it's turn off Miss Pinky.
Jai Hind all of you. My name is Pinky Olia. I am student of Raman Online Tactic Classes. Today I am telling my best Guruji. I think teacher is very important role in our life. First of all, my best Guruji. He is very hard working for us. I am proud of that. She is my best Guruji. He is a very kind person. My Guruji name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. I am thankful Mr. Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. My teachers, sorry, Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta, my teacher. So I am very happy. One day I will be write your name. That day I will be very happy, and you will be happy that day. I try to better English next time. Uh, One day, sorry, you teach very well. You teach easily. You are very hardworking for me. I am proud of you that you are my best Guruji. My Guruji is like my God. You solve my all problems every time. You care me also. You are very best friend. You are my best friend. You are very kind. You are very important in my life because you are uh, understanding me. सर समझने क्या बोलते हैं?
You understand me.
I can't live without you. You are best Guruji. That's it.
Well done, Miss Pinky. You're speaking so good, and you tell right you tell us right that without sir we cannot able to this language, and we cannot live without him. So sorry, sir, I have a not name in this time. So sorry everyone. I know that I do many mistake in this class. So sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I request you that I want today that you tell you about us. Which person do you like and dislike? So
I
please tell
like
me.
all the persons. I like all the persons. Actually, persons are always good. There is no one whom we can see that that is good or that is bad. But according to the qualities or according to the nature or behavior, we decide that a person is good or bad. So we should always have our behavior in such a way that all can like us. This is the main thing. But what we like is not the body or not the color or not the age or not the features of body of any persons, but what we like or dislike is the act of a person. हम आदमी के हमेशा उसके काम जो होते हैं ना, उसके आधार पे ही हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि हम उसको पसंद करते हैं या नापसंद करते हैं. हमारी माँ चाहे कितनी भी अच्छी हो, मतलब शक्ल से सूरत से कितनी भी बुरी हो, शक्ल सूरत से चाहे काली हो, चाहे उसका फिगर कैसा भी हो, पर हम उससे ज्यादा शायद किसी को प्यार नहीं कर सकते अपनी लाइफ के अंदर. और एक माँ के लिए भी उसका जो बच्चा होता है वो कैसा भी हो. सो दिस इज द मेन थिंग. तो ये एक बात होती है कि हम ये हमारे अंदर वी शुड हैव द क्वालिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन, नॉट ओनली बाय वाचिंग द outwardly features of a person. We should decide whether it is good or bad, but we should always have a keen sight so that we can see what is there inside a person. Inside a person, though we are all the same from inside, but I think you understand what is the meaning of my saying that inside of a person means the thought of a person. This is the main thing. So I'm very happy that today all of you expressed your views regarding your parents, regarding your teacher, regarding your friends. I'm very much happy. And there is no iteration in this speaking. So if we talk about errors, there would be errors in our speaking. There is no doubt. But we should not stop ourselves by merely thinking that we are not speaking properly, so we are not able to speak and we should not speak. This is not good. समझ गए आप? तो हमेशा मैं एक बात कहता हूं कि जो घोड़े की घुड़सवारी करेगा ना, वो गिरेगा भी. ध्यान रखना इस बात को आप. और जो घुटनों के बल चलेगा वो गिरेगा क्या? तो अगर आप कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो, अगर आप कुछ प्रयास कर रहे हो, तो डेफिनेटली गलतियां भी होंगी. डोंट थिंक अबाउट दोस. और कभी भी ऐसे लोगों की परवाह ना करें जो आपको डिमोटिवेट करने की कोशिश करें. आपको क्या आता है, आपको तो कुछ भी नहीं आता, आपका तो लेवल भी कुछ नहीं है, चाहे वो खुद मोबाइल में से देख देख के बता रहे हो. पर अब चूंकि वो बड़े हैं, टीचर्स हैं या जो भी हैं, वट एवर दे आर, बट दिस इज नॉट गुड. आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट गुड. वी शुड ऑलवेज मोटिवेट आवर चिल्ड्रन. वी शुड मोटिवेट एवरीवन so that he can perform well in his life or anywhere. मतलब मैं ऐसे नहीं मानता हूं. अब ऐसे लोगों की बातों को दिल पे कभी मत लिया करो, है ना. वो केवल अपने आप को शो करना चाहते हैं कि देखो मेरे को इतना आता है. तो इतना तो किसी को भी नहीं आता, और सब कुछ तो किसी को भी नहीं आता। आप ये मान के चलो अच्छे तरीके से, संसार में कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति नहीं है जो अपने आप को ये कह सके कि मुझे सब कुछ आता है। कोई भी नहीं कह सकता, कहना भी नहीं चाहिए। सब कुछ आता है नहीं कहना चाहिए। हाँ, मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आता है, मैं अपना कर सकता हूँ, मैं अपना काम चला सकता हूँ, मुझे आता है। मुझे जो नहीं आता है मैं उसको सीख लूंगा, कोई बात नहीं मैडम, हमको इतना ही आता है, मैं और सीखने की कोशिश करूंगा। बाकी टिप्स तो मेरे पास भी ऐसे ऐसे हैं कि मैं आपको 4-5 क्वेश्चन अगर दे दूं तो शायद पूछने वाले का मुंह हमेशा के लिए बंद हो जाए। बट आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट गुड, है ना। और आप भी अगर चाहेंगे तो आप भी इतना है आपके पास। आप अगर मेरे पास इतने टाइम से पढ़ रहे हो तो आपके पास भी इतना है कि अगर आप 2-4 क्वेश्चन भी पूछ लेंगे ना तो शायद वो। बट नहीं, मैं नहीं चाहता हूं कि हम लोगों के संस्कार ऐसे नहीं है कि हमें ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए। ठीक है, इग्नोर कर दिया करो, ओके, इट्स दैट्स इट, बात खत्म। फालतू में क्यों माथाफोड़ी करें, अपना दिमाग खराब करें ऐसे लोगों के पीछे। तो मैं यही एडवाइस दूंगा आप लोगों को। सो डोंट माइंड दोज पीपुल, है ना। वो जैसे भी हैं, जो भी हैं, ठीक है, अच्छे हैं यार, कोई बात नहीं है ना। उनके कहने से ना कहने से मुझे अच्छी लगी निशा की ये बात कि इसने कहा कि सर मैंने आई एम लेटिंग कर दिया इसने। नो प्रॉब्लम यार, आप अब पता चल गया आई एम गेटिंग लेट है, आई एम गेटिंग लेट, अब पता चल गया आपको। तो उसने फिर इन्होंने निशा ने एक बात कही कि क्या मुझे तो मालूम है ना कि मुझे इंग्लिश आती है, दैट्स इट। आज इसने बहुत अच्छी एंकरिंग की है, मतलब बहुत अच्छी एंकरिंग की है इसने, हर चीज को कमेंट किया है। आपने जो कुछ बोला उस पर कमेंट करने की कोशिश की है इसने। तो ये आपके एफर्ट्स हैं, ध्यान रखिए इस बात को आप। दीज आर योर एफर्ट्स एंड यू शुड ट्राई टू मेक देम ऑलवेज। हमेशा अपना चांस लेने की कोशिश कीजिए कि सर आज मैं एंकरिंग करूं। अच्छा है, आप धीरे धीरे आगे मूव करेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे। आप बैठे रहने से तो कुछ होगा नहीं। सो आई होप नेक्स्ट टाइम someone else will you be ready to come here and take the class. I feel very much happy when I see my students doing the thing. So आप भी आइए, सभी लोग अपना चांस लीजिए। गलत सही क्या है, कुछ नहीं है, गलत सही कुछ नहीं है। आज हम कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है, अच्छा है, कल हम और भी अच्छा करने की कोशिश करेंगे, है ना। असफलता वो नहीं होती है, फेल वो नहीं होता है जो कुछ काम करने में गलती कर दी उसने। फेल तो वो होता है जो काम करना रोक दिया जिसने। और देखिए, सुधार तो होता रहता है। मैं आपको बार बार कहता हूँ, 2G से 3G आ गया, 3G से 3G रुका क्या, फिर 3G के बाद 4G आ गया। तो 3G अपने आप में पूरा था क्या? अगर पूरा होता, परफेक्ट होता, तो 4G आता है क्या? बताइए आप मेरे को। 4G के बाद में 5G आ रहा है, फिर 6G आ जाएगा, कभी रुकेगा क्या ये? आप मुझे बता दीजिए। तो परफेक्ट तो कोई भी चीज नहीं है ना इस दुनिया में। आप मुझे बता दीजिए कोई है क्या? कमी हर चीज के अंदर होती है। बस हमारा एटीट्यूड क्या होना चाहिए कि वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव अवर सेल्व्स। बस बात इतनी सी है। चाहे वो इंग्लिश में हो, चाहे वो हमारे थॉट्स में हो, चाहे कहीं भी हो, हम उसको डे बाय डे हम उसको इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करें, चीजों को सीखने की कोशिश करें। बस इतनी सी बात है, और कोई बात नहीं है। थैंक यू वेरी मच टू बी हियर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir, because you gave good knowledge
Thank you, sir.
of a person.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now I am stopping the recording. Okay.
Bye, sir.